bananas. This morning I have 3 bananas that are no good anymore, so I am going to be making a banana bread. The only thing you're going to need for this is 3 overly ripe bananas or 1 cup of mashed, a teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of baking soda, 2 eggs, a cup of sugar, a cup of sour cream, my secret ingredient, a half a cup of margarine or 1 stick of margarine or butter, a teaspoon of vanilla, and a cup and a half of flour. All you need to do is get your butter and your sugar blended well together. Once your butter and sugar have been creamed, you're going to add your eggs one at a time and beat them until smooth. Once those are smooth, you're going to add in your bananas. This and your eggs have been put into your butter and sugar mixture, and you've added your vanilla. You're going to now add and blend in your 1 cup or half a cup of sour cream. Next, we're going to take the salt and baking soda and mix that into our flour mixture, and then we are going to add that to our wet mixture in the mixer. We're going to very slowly blend this in together. If you turn it up too high, you're going to have flour flying all over the place. Now, you have set your oven to 350 degrees, and you can do this one of 2 ways. You can either put it in 6 mini tins or in 1 big tin for your loaf. You're going to need to grease your pan or pans before you put your batter into it. Okay, I have greased these pans really well, and then I'm just going to grab a little gravy ladle, put a couple of spoonfuls in each just to make sure I have enough, and then I'll go back and I'll fill them according to what I have left. Try not to get them all over the side of the pan, which I just did. Okay, I have my pans all filled fairly evenly, and now since I'm doing the mini pans, I'm going to tuck those into the oven for 30 minutes. If you're doing it in 1 loaf pan, you're going to be putting it in for 1 hour. And what you're going to want to do is check it with a toothpick at the end to see if it comes out clean from the center. And they are done. It smells great in here. Enjoy and stay safe out there.